PHP is the most popular web development language. Millions of websites have developed on PHP. Other languages are also used in web development, but PHP has a bigger market ratio than others. In this tutorial, I will try to cover all topics of PHP from beginner level to expert level step by step. First, I will cover basic level topics of PHP, then gradually increase the complexity level of the tutorial by which beginners, intermediate and expert level developers will learn many new things. PHP is the most popular server-side scripting language by which millions of websites have developed. Every passing day, many new websites are coming which are developed on PHP. PHP is open source and it has a very big community. PHP is continuously growing day by day. It has many popular frameworks like Symfony, Laravel, CodeIgniter, CakePHP and many more. PHP has many popular CMS like WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart, Magento, etc. I give you only one example. WordPress has one plugin WooCommerce by which a complete e-commerce website can develop, and this plugin has a big market. If you learn this skill, then you can easily get a job. Freelance work. Therefore, you should first learn PHP, after that other related CMS and frameworks. If you learn well, then you can get a good job and work in the freelance market. Other programming and scripting languages also have a market, and you can also learn those languages, but PHP is a very popular scripting language in web development. Therefore, I suggest you that you should learn PHP first. If you want to start earning, for this you must do work hard. Then you can get your goal to become a web developer with good income. What is PHP? According to official website of PHP, PHP is a widely used open source general purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development. Open source software is a computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the rights to use, study, change and distribute the software and its source code to anyone and for any purpose. General purpose. A programming language which is used for different application domains like creating online applications, desktop applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. is called general purpose language.